泰兰塞拉本单是印度被骗的初体位所，因证印度政府本泰来来马提给落错，同时在1959年建立流氓政府，受到世界各国的注意。除了亚前的流氓土邦人塞亚到泰兰塞拉以外，也多年来许多西方游客也因走去游览，有到当地新作为板球场。泰兰塞拉变做印度有名的景点。土邦人也加入去靠观光嘅相关产业来落实，不过也个国家引起，而能有冇土地活嘅也都财产权。泰兰塞拉嘅流氓土邦人是由大人工来落实，生活负担因来因大，故所许多人路上去离开，甚至上去多转去市场。对市场拉萨来到印度泰兰塞拉已经15年嘅日式合作，係對單親媽媽，也每日睇第二大學讀書，為做到去做每日嘅生活費，日式合作利用當年泰蘭塞拉公發費，也算公共太陽的人潮，買起個兩嘅碰線買。差唔多新台幣2萬5，係也每日1年嘅生活費。對民眾嘅桃園樹業，讓2000人嘅元嘅日式合作來講，負擔過大。尤其2010年，使得容納2萬3人嘅板球場做好過後，泰蘭塞拉變做印度有名嘅觀光勝地，物價也停落引起大家。
아니 지단도 데를 조선도 침벌이시기도 별만고 다들 겨울 상주라서 다가가는
唔過也驗證觀光業安旺，無體好工中也算荒漠嘅流氓土邦人，都到為工作機會，無論擺攤呢、餐飲服務，也算做時裝服裝、做紀念品也都，加減是得落實。有位土邦組織也是得大幫安利嘅機會，宣傳相關嘅人權議題。
Opportunity like these, you open galleries everywhere. You know, organizations. We have got big organizations like Students of Free Tibet. You know, with fancy T-shirts, and they're saying, "Oh, the T-shirt is cheap. It's nice. You know, what is it? It says Free Tibet. What is it?" And then they understand. We tell them who are making it. You know, what are we using these products for?
因證1959年，印度政府雖然本流氓土邦人喺泰蘭塞拉有好故事，不過不准伊能有土地活嘅財產。故所土邦人搶市的漂泊嘅來生活，市中心設一間無商平嘅套房，一張日的屋稅率愛5000盧比，差唔多新台幣2500，屋稅率徛喺呢大部分嘅數二倍。
Maybe after 2 years, after 3 years, it's going to up here. Maklut, it's all expensive, yeah. Small, in only one room there, it's maybe 5,000, 6,000 like that.
因為安呢，有位土邦人想要離開印度，甚至想要回到西昌。
想回去，
還是想回去哈？
沒辦法，小孩子讀書嘛。
Tibetans not only to go back to Tibet, but many Tibetans go to other countries also. And one thing is that now is the only thing about the economic. That's the China is like people get quite good, you know, it's compared to early time. So that's why many people, and also it's one cases maybe people very difficult to survive here. Other cases, you know, if you escape a problem without any parents, relatives, nothing. If you stay here very long, you know, it's very hard, you know.
按照中國政府雖然開放流氓土邦人回故鄉，不過許多土邦人入手。轉去過後，自家也算陸客人，還係會受到政治迫害，也有人認為現時市場嘅經濟改革係假的。
但馬德朗的就是寫實，只當我怕陪了做事呢，難了皮的，那當叫不起，叫沒給的，我在家那點能夠做了吧？之前呢，那工作給了剛剛吃了吃了呢，那對馬德朗的寫實。
The Chinese give fish, not how to catch fish. That is, I feel that. So if really Chinese government help Tibetans, they must how to catch fish. So then maybe really Chinese help Tibetans. Otherwise, you know, it's more difficult, and then people lost they lost culture, everything. You know, slowly.
泰蘭塞拉也個流氓土邦人心靈同文化臨時故事的素材，也受到觀光經濟的衝擊。 有位流氓土帮人家庭回到西昌，最里面还是无法度适应亚下嘅家乡生活，又再个离开中国，尽管态度还个唔体贴。按其一次变做几多流氓土帮人，几难实现嘅梦想。印度被骗的泰兰色拉，因正泰来兰马提嘅落错，向嘅引来印度嘅流氓土帮人气。也多年来有认证印度政府因推行观光游客引来印度嘅，按多年去游览泰兰色拉如果有生意好做，唔过印度嘅垃圾也会等人惊哦。就算土包流氓政府提出的清洁计划，印度当地嘅邦政府和立法不准应用所搞落嘅。唔过民众还是凊彩河边乱跳垃圾，故所有环保组织发起嘅青山行通，由国际职工每礼拜固定去北山捡垃圾，还举行社区环境教育课程，希望改变民众嘅观念同习惯。
我有惧高症，所以我根本不敢看下面。
就算强到唔敢看讲下，职工还可以捡起三排放嘅垃圾。是被台湾职工自家发钱，比到印度泰兰色拉参加青山活动。
他发现，垃圾是这里一个非常非常大的一个问题。那你会觉得这里是一个藏传佛教的一个重要的基地，可是为什么外在的环境可以脏成这样子？这是我不太能够理解以及接受的，所以我觉得我自己应该也要做一些事情。
粗胖胖的天内放落喺垃圾，安尼嘅环境下係生牛침食嘅蔬菜。泰兰色拉嘅垃圾也是引起泰来人马嘅注意，还有流氓政府嘅经费主动来扶持，变说泰兰色拉，强烈民意来请加入放嘅垃圾来补印度官方嘅补助，唔过效果上有限透。现正也40年来，土帮人如係抢食喺度野味，泰兰色拉还係属于印度政府嘅。
刚来生活那些不习惯，
还是不喜欢哦，跟那个西藏不一样。
不一样。
Sometimes we feel very shy because Dalai Lama always say the environment, and we stay here. But things that not only Tibetans here or not local people, but many tourists.
其实对印度嘅欧洲垃圾，官方也是提出对策。泰兰色拉所采嘅起码建议邦政府，甚至规定全邦不准用塑胶袋嘅。不过河边乱接垃圾三无合法，环境如无严厉安尼，有乜嘅改变？
The Indian Prime Minister very strongly to say the environment keep clean. This is very important. So maybe some changes. Otherwise, very difficult. If you make it clean today, tomorrow is it's again it's same.
So we use natural leaves to eat food like banana leaves. So we just eating we throw, right? So now we are using all this man-made stuff like plastic things. We are still throwing, and they are not aware of any of these things. So they don't know what happened to the plastic.
生活习惯唔前改变，公共服务又改缺，这市政将来按多位年基本乃唔好。尤其对5年前起始，印度政府推动观光，设立白板球场，每礼拜会上来2000论万的球迷游客。泰兰色拉喺欧洲體操嘅問題都韓國厲害嘅。
自2009年起時呢，呢個是真是一個組織嘅好小客，有超過40個國家唔大嘅職工呢，去上野採用一座山，泰蘭色拉前有名嘅土家蔬菜。 或是營養垃圾，一禮拜都係清潔100公斤咁多嘅垃圾。
每禮拜清潔100公斤，同規個泰蘭色拉甚至全印度比起來當然貴少。不過環保組織垃圾戰士認為，每禮拜有無共用國家嘅職工上山去捡垃圾，也算天氣嘅社區環境教育，多多嘅來做，會改變在地居民同遊客嘅生活習慣。
Because in India, we do not have everywhere to the very clean place. So they come from outside and they see us, they get motivated, and the next time maybe when they go anywhere, they keep their garbage.
Like schools here, so we go there, we give a presentation, we organize a children day every month around this place. So the new kids, they know everything about the garbage. But still, the change is coming, but it will take some time.
點清前腔嘅老師，有朝有歐洲嘅介入，伊哋泰蘭色拉改從係兩嘅世界。 土邦人抢食黑的路卡，无的人骗流体，立即变作威胁环境，同我会健康的一大问题。工业化所搞产品安多，亲生率也快分担清强的代替。